I'm craving a late night snack, but something that's light and easy and quick to make. So I'm using a Thermomix, but you can use a regular blender. It's gonna do the same thing. On this, I'm using the blender option. And first of all, I am making with strawberries. So basically it's healthy late night snack. I'm using a cup of frozen strawberries. That's all I had at home. I didn't have fresh. You could use fresh, but I think frozen is gonna keep up the coolness of the mousse. And I'm also adding a ounce of sugar and a teaspoon of hot chocolate mix. You could use cacao powder, but I think hot chocolate mix is just tastes better than cooking cacao. And I'm blending this for 20 seconds just to get the strawberries all blended. We're gonna keep blending it, so it's gonna be it's gonna be like mushy blend. You won't even realize there are strawberries in it once I add the cup of whipped cream. And so for this one, I had to do the 2 minute whip 3 times because it kept pushing it all on the walls, and I had to stop and scrape every 2 minutes. It's okay. So yeah, it did take a little while, but it's still pretty easy. So I just did the 2 minute blend 3 times, and I think this is ready. We could have gone for one more round, but I think it's ready for me. So 3 times, 2 minutes, and get a cute glassware to make it look fancy. I mean, you can even put it in a regular bowl. It doesn't really matter. It tastes good. It's fluffy. It's light. It is delicious. You can taste the strawberries in it. Don't ask me for the calories. I don't know, but it has fruits in it, so it's basically healthy. A little dust of cacao or hot chocolate, which is what I had, and it is so smooth, so easy to make. You can totally skip the strawberries, but it is delicious. So you can make a quick chocolate mousse in a blender or a Thermomix.